Okay, guys, see my Rocket League video, 16th of January 2017. That's literally the title. Terrible. Do not watch it. I can't believe what I said. I'm not going to say it right now. Hayden, I know you've seen it, but I don't care.
Many years. Well, everyone, that wraps it up for my Q&A.
Oh God, okay. I do that all the time. Denis.
Rachel. Where's Rachel? Where is she?
Baby.
Hey everybody, so welcome to the first episode of Reading Your Comments. So the thing is, because it's the first episode, I don't actually have like
a Q&A. So baby, pull me closer. Like the gym go.
You guys probably would have been upset going, Dennis, you fool. You obviously died previously on the bridge. That's what you guys sound like. Hey everybody, welcome to another Roblox.
Yay!
Today we are playing Escape the Jungle obby. It's been a while since I've done an escape obby. It's been at least a couple days. And as you can see, we start off in this very spooky looking jungle. Well, actually not too spooky. If we disregard the giant octopus with no pupils on its eyes, and we look in this distance, it's kind of cool. It's nice. You got a nice little tent with flowers. It's like a picnic, and it's super nice. And there's bushes, and it's beautiful. Then you look over here, and then there's a giant octopus that is probably eating everybody. Welcome to the jungle lobby. This game is tricky, so don't give up. Oh, so we're actually starting on the log, on the fallen over log. Very good indeed.
Oh, I played that.
What is that over there? It's like I see the top of a monkey head. Uh-oh. Do I
I played that and I got stuck and I was going for it. I was such a
obby potentially at some point later in the future, whenever we surpass that point in the obby, maybe potentially. Ooh, I don't know. Ew, there it is. It's ew. Its eyes are following us, and sometimes one eye will follow another person. Ew, you see that?
Okay, I played it, but I was starting doing Roblox.
It's on the ground. Even though it's
not on my channel.
That's probably just going from the octopus. Man,
I prefer to start on my channel.
Oh, that octopus actually looks really cool. Can I fall through, by the way? Is that? Yeah, you can. You can fall through, as I have just proved myself. Good. Okay, let's try this again. Let's try this again. So you just keep walking, and you can even do a little bit of hops. I almost fell down there again. Oh, that was close. Jeez. Okay. There we go. You gotta get past the water as well. Ooh, very shiny water, I might add. Okay, excuse me, madam. I like you can just jump on people's heads and go on your way. Oh, look at this. We got some magma or whatever this is. Pieces of mud. Oh, that was close. Oh man, gotta be very careful. Okay, this one I'm gonna go underneath because because that woman just exploded. That's what happens whenever you touch the mud or the magma or whatever it is. I think it's probably just mud, just goopy, weird.
I know I'd almost probably not that good for me, but as eggs is good for you guys.
No, pretty good. Okay, we got some weird slime now. I guess there is a lot of weird stuff going on in the jungle where you are going to see things like
that's a freaky snake.
Unexplainable slimes and man-eating plants in the distance there. My goodness me, it's a hostile place. What even got me in this situation where I was in the middle of the jungle and I decided to hop through it? Or how did I even get in the middle of the jungle to begin with? I always wish there was some sort of backstory to these obbies. Sometimes there is a backstory to obbies, and it's super cool. Because then it can be something like, oh, you were robbing a bank and then you got captured and now you must escape prison. Something like that. I always like that. So obby creators out there, if you're watching this, backstories and obbies are always super cool. I like whenever it has a nice setting. That's why I really like this obby so far. Because it has a really, really cool setting. There's flames coming up in the distance there. You can see people in the distance all doing the obby and it's amazing. Super cool. Yeah. Okay, now this is where the magma is. This is where the real danger is going on. What is that, a volcano right there? It is a volcano. My goodness me. Okay, so, and we just climb up the rock. Where's the checkpoint? There's one. There hasn't been a checkpoint in a while. I was getting a little bit worried there. Okay, all seems to be roughly the same stuff. This time got a little bit more hopping going on right now. Racing through pretty decently. What's going on here? What is this supposed to be? Would you ever see anything like this in the... What is this guy doing? Sir, you're you're a little bit in the way right now. I'm just gonna have to hop on the... There we go. I'm very sorry about that. Did he just come back right after? No, he's just standing there. Okay, I don't know if he's like purposefully doing that. Okay, here we go. Just very carefully. Uh-oh, I need to go like...
Just skip it, bro. Oh god, I was...
Here, whenever I say I'm going to take this shortcut.
No, you weren't allowed.
Or maybe not. Ooh. Now here, actually, I don't even need to be going sideways. I'm actually going pretty okay. Just like this. Have I died yet? I'm trying to now think about if I actually have died. I'm not entirely sure. I'm trying to think about it. Oh, no, that's the jinx. Oh, yes, I have died. I have died. I have. Because I fell through the crack in the bridge before. So it's okay that I died right there. Everything is fine. I am actually happy that I died there because then you guys probably would have been upset going, Dennis, you fool. You obviously died previously on the bridge. that's what you guys sound like. That is how you talk as well. Okay, there we go. Still weird, unexplainable slime on a bunch of random objects. And I did see a monkey in the distance. Where's the monkey? Oh, what is that over there? Ew! Wait, let's get a zoom in on that face there. Oh, gross. What is that? Is it just not rendered everything since we're so far away? Or is that what it
Just
actually
like Denis is on Xbox.
That is terrifying. Okay. Well, we're about to find out. Or we're going to... Maybe not
Using
about
an
to find out,
Xbox
but
controller.
somewhat soon we will find
That's right,
out.
doesn't use
Actually,
that.
we are about to find out. Because we're going up this right here. I'm looking for any sort of Easter eggs, any sort of coins maybe laying around. Oh, no, it does just look like that. It's just like it's a weird, creepy baby. Okay, I understand. Hey, we're doing everything twice as fast because we jumping and we're doing a tuck and jump. What is this guy doing? What is that even? What's that bubble supposed to be? I don't understand. Yep, jump over, go
Yep.
under, and jump over. There.
Yep.
What's that supposed to be? I don't understand. Is he oh, he's reflecting with the mirror. He's reflecting the sun. That's what he's doing. I don't know exactly what. Is that supposed to be with part of some sort of temple entrance, some sort of jungle temple potentially? I don't know. Okay, so now the bridges are actually getting more and more wide between the cracks. Because I remember near the beginning of the obby, the bridges had way more planks, way more boards tied across. What's going on there? What's that arrow pointing down? I'm very curious now. What is that? What is that rotating around? What? I'm really excited to see the rest of this hobby. How old is this hobby? I feel like this isn't a brand new hobby. It's like somewhat old, sort of. So that's the mushrooms I was talking about earlier. And then man-eating plant. And then people can get trapped in a cage over there. That's spooky. Oh, excuse me. It looks like we have... I'm still doing the hobby, guys. I'm still doing it. Alright, thing is here is what is all this? What is all this falling down here? You know, it's got this water coming from the. Is that some sort of condensation coming from the mushrooms? I think I'm using those words properly. I don't know. What? Look at the temple entrance. There's the monkey down there. What is this? What is this? Oh, no. That was so close. Did you guys see that? Did you see how close that was? Oh, my goodness me. Wow. Okay, so I feel like this is going to be difficult. No, it's not. It's very easy. Okay. I'll take it. So what exactly is this even? Is this a temple entrance? Are we actually getting eaten by a giant gorilla monkey right now? A gorilla monkey? What is a gorilla monkey? See, the thing is, my speculation is right here, this kind of looks like gold, and that doesn't look real. That looks like stone. I'm going to assume it is a temple entrance. That is my bet. That is what I'm betting right now. That's my guess. See, this is one of those that... Oh, ooh, it's not even a fade. It is just a temple entrance. Ooh, look at that. The new obbies, you get sucked into the mouths because they just flat out eat you. But these ones here, ooh, very cool, very slimy as well. The back of the temple is made of pure gold. Everything back here is made of pure gold. What? What is this? What is happening right now? Everything is... What? There's this vortex here. What's about to happen? I don't know. Whoa, there's a whole new area to the obby. Oh, this is amazing. What? Okay, I need to be careful here. These are all very thin. So now we're getting into the whole like more template area of the not so natural. Everything now is a little more man-made, just a little bit more mysterious. I couldn't think of a word for a second. Okay, so I think I can go through this one. Yes, I can. This is one of those that you don't, that you can use the trick, which is good. Okay, can't do that one, so let me use this one. I like the trick. I like it. I don't like when you can't use the trick. By the way, I have not been a checkpoint in a very long time. I would just like to point that out. It doesn't mean you have to get through this entire part without dying once. Is that like the big challenge here? Because if that's a challenge, well, your boy just got it. Oh! But I don't know. Maybe there is checkpoints, like invisible checkpoints that you just don't even see. But no, it keeps going. You have to get through this entire area without dying once. Potential. I'm not too sure. Maybe you can. Oh, maybe you can do it. Maybe you can die. Oh, we're about to find out. What's about to happen? What's about to happen? Oh, yes, you do have to do the entire thing. Oh, man, did they just forget to put checkpoints, or did they mean for it to be like that? I think they actually meant for it. So is it the middle one? Oh, no, it's the right one. And then it goes all the way to the left. Man, that's crazy. Okay, so it is like a big challenge here now that we got to do. Okay, decent, not too bad. Almost happy that we died. Otherwise, that would have been killing me just because of how much curiosity I would have had. Oh, I'm not,